Gotta do it quietly, quietly. Get down. Oh, you shot the tiger. Did you get him? Did you get him?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat a tiger?
No. They have that knife. Oh. Okay, let's have lunch. Here's your plate.
You're gonna eat the tiger for lunch?
We're gonna have to brush him. I get some food, okay? I get some Caesar ketchup. Let's scratch his eye.
Oh, wow, that's pretty brutal, Addie.
Let's scratch his back. I got that food one. I got you. Okay. Now let's have a feast.
What are you gonna have for?
And
What do you? Danny, what are you gonna have for dinner?
I don't know. Addie's gonna have. You have a knife? Yeah. Wait. I need to wait. Look it. I need to wait knife. Got the knife.
Danny, look at Mama.
Now we're gonna have
Danny, what are you gonna have for dinner?
hamburger.
Hamburger, tiger burger?
Yeah. No, my hamburger.
Oh, you're gonna have okay.
We're gonna have to cut him. Oh, we opened it. Okay. Ooh, meat. Where's meat?
Oh my gosh.